Let me create folder for today. Today also we'll continue with regular expressions. Okay. What is regex and why we need regular expressions? Regular expressions are regular expressions for searching purpose. Okay. We can search strings. We can search. We can search characters or words within the strings. Okay. Regular expressions are powerful tool for searching. Okay. Yeah. Powerful tool for searching. Okay. It is used for pattern matching. Okay. Pattern matching in strings. And it is used for validating data. Validating, validating data. We can validate data using regular expressions. Where in text data, log files, in log files, you can validate the data. Okay. For this, we need to use RE module. Okay. So we need to import RE module. Yeah. Then we can use RE module methods. RE module methods. Let me write one expression. Expression equal to K backslash W backslash W backslash W backslash W P. Yeah. What it is meaning? So what can we search using this expression? What can we search using this expression? First K, after that backslash W meaning alphanumeric, right? Again backslash W alphanumeric. Again backslash W alphanumeric. Again backslash W alphanumeric. Right? K, A, B, C, 4. Okay, and P. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 alphanumerics, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, data is K, P. Okay, ABC 5. Now, how can we check it is matching or not? Out equal to RE dot search what to search and where to search. Okay, if out, if it is true, then we can print found, and we can print match a string also. How to print match a string? Out dot group. Yeah. Else not found. Print not found. Now let's execute this. Python 3 rng py. Now see, it is found. Why? Because exactly we are here searching for in between K and P for alpha numerics. It may be alpha or numeric. Okay, it is now found. Now let's modify this to 7. Okay, I'm adding one more character in between K and P. Now let's see. Now, 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 yeah, we need to run 2. Now it is not found. Okay, expression is here. We are getting warning as of now. Just ignore this. Okay, now itself. I'll try to fix this warning also. Okay. Now here, let me give here R. Okay, I will tell you what it is. 3.py. See now, let me clear screen. See now it is very clear. Even you are not getting warning, right? Why? Because here R is for raw data. Okay, R is for raw data. So here in expression, if you will give special characters, backslash n is special character, right? Backslash n meaning new line, right? But if you will give R here, right, it will be R that raw data. So special characters like we can remove that behavior. Special characters behavior also. Okay. Just you can remember R is for raw data to make raw data. Now let me tell you that. For example, data equal to hello world. Okay. Backslash n Python. Okay. Let me print this. Print data. Okay. Let's see the. See, now clearly it is printing hello backslash n new line and here space is there, right? Space Python. After backslash n space Python is there. So clearly it is printing. Okay. Now let's see. I'm putting R here. I'm making it as raw data. Okay. You can observe in PyCharm also it is like color also changed here. Right. Now let me print this. Now see as it is printing. So this we are collapsing this behavior, special character behavior. Clear? To remove special character behavior, we can use R. Right? R meaning raw data. R meaning raw data. We are making it as a raw data here. Clear, right? Now, let me take this. Now, see here, can we change expression to like this? R, let's use R. K, how many backslash W's are there here? 4. Can we do like this? 4 and P. P. So both are same. Okay. What we are using here, this one, quantifier or repeater. Okay. Quantifier or repeater. Now let's execute this. See, clear, right? In between K and P, okay, backslash W meaning alpha numerics, right? Backslash W meaning alpha numerics. Here, here one alpha numeric, then another one alpha numeric, 4 alpha numerics, right? We are searching for in between K and P, four alpha numerics, right? So just we are optimizing that, right? Using quantifier. So what is this meaning? Preceding character, okay, 4 times. This is the preceding character and 4 times. Okay. Now Let's remove here. Now, if you see after K, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 characters are there, right? Let me comment this to you. Yeah. Now, this is the input. Now, it should match. Okay. It is matching found and matched output is this one. Okay. Yeah. Now, not more than that. That is the meaning of this 4 we are keeping. Here, this is the original expression. Okay. This is the shortcut. This is the shortcut for this. Okay. See, now, for example, in input, okay, K, A. How many A's are there here? In between K and P, if four A's are there, you need to match that string. Okay. How can we match this? Here simply see. Let me change this first. Okay. Here it should be like this. Four, right? Four A's. Expression should be like this, right? Let me let's run this. Okay. Five. See, now it is found, okay? Because we are exactly searching for in between K and P 4A's. But if you want to use this shortcut, right? Simply you can put, yeah, A. Here A is the like preceding character, right? Four times, exactly four times. Now also found, right? If we change this to one more A, okay? Yeah, tell me, bro. Yeah, dot also we can use. I will tell you in future examples that dot. Okay. Now I am explaining about this quantifier. Okay. After this, we'll see that dot and plus and star. Okay. As of now, you are getting this right. How like this. Yeah. This R is for to make raw data. Just let me remove this. See. Now also it will work. No problem. But see what we are checking. So if any like special characters are there here, right? Inside this, then if you will use R, you will not get any warnings. Okay. So always try to use R. It is like good practice. Okay. Yeah. In expression, always we can use R. R is for making raw data. Okay. Now see, now it is not found, right? Because here five A's are there. If you yeah, if you want to found like multiple yes also, okay. See, let's take this same, okay. If you want to found multiple s, okay, it may be one or it may be more. Here in expression simply you can change one comma meaning minimum one, maximum unlimited. Minimum one, maximum unlimited of preceding character. Here, what is the preceding character? What it is? A. Right? Here, now execute this. See, clearly it is found. Right? If you change this to one also, it should found. Because as per this expression, minimum one, maximum unlimited. But it should be only A because here preceding character is A. Right? If we keep like this B, right? Now it will be not found. Not matching. It is not true. It is false. Clear? No, see, likewise also, if we use likewise also, it will fail. It is not found. What we are like as per requirement, after K, A. How many A's? Multiple A's. Minimum one should be there, maximum unlimited. Okay. At last, P should be there. Okay. Then only it match. Here, if you see, after K, B is there. Here only it is failing. Here at second character only it is failing. After A, yeah, that also it will fail. See, after 4 years or 5 years or 1 year, if you give anything C, okay, I'm giving C here. Now also it will be not found because our expression is telling clearly after K, multiple A's, okay, and P. Then only it will match, right? See, for example, in real time scenario, right? If you want to search, you have one log file, you have one log file, input file. In that, email IDs are there, okay? Email IDs. Email IDs are like abc at the rate gmail.com, right? And xyz at the rate yahoo.com, right? So multiple companies, multiple email IDs are there. So from that file, you need to capture all email IDs and you need to store in one file. Okay. So that time, what can you do? Dot com. Dot here. Dot com is common, right? So dot com is common. For this expression you can write. Okay. Expression you can write. See, backslash W we can keep first, right? Backslash W we can keep. Now within the flower braces, one comma. Clear? Now this will match everything, right? This will match everything, right? After that, you can keep dot com. So this is just example I am telling, but based on the requirements, you need to like make change this, right? Yeah. See. Now let me remove these all things. Okay. Here one comma we have provided, right? Instead of one comma, here plus also I can give plus. Okay. Now let's run this 7. Now see clearly plus meaning shortcut to this again one or more. Okay. Plus is for one or more occurrences. Okay. Occurrences of preceding character that you need to remember. Okay. If you change this to BBB, okay. Just let me execute this. It is clearly failed because here what we are checking after K, A should be there. Plus meaning one or more. Plus meaning one or more. Minimum one is required. Here A. Now it is clearly found. Clear? Now let's take this. Now see, if you want to match this one also, KP also, right? You want to match KP also. You want to match KP and KAP also and KAAP also, right? For this, what can we do? Just simply Here, let me change first here. 0, right? We can keep 0. 0 meaning it may be, may not be. It may be, it may not be. Okay? It may be there. What? It may be there preceding character. What is, yeah, what is preceding character? A. Okay? A may be there, A may not be there. Okay? Now let's check for this data first. This is the input I'm checking now. Okay? Let's execute this. Now it is found. See, clearly KP is found. Why? Because we are clearly telling 0, comma. It may be there, may not be there. Okay. Now let's check for this input. Okay. KAP. See, it is also found. Right. Let's check for multiple A's also. Here also found clearly. Right. Now let's check with other character B. Okay. Now it should be not found. It is not found because clearly we are checking for A. Okay. A may be there, may not be there. Okay. Then only it will be true. Here B is there. Right. B is there. So here it is false. It is not found. Clear? Yeah. Yeah. Infinity. Yeah. Infinity. Infinity preceding characters. Okay. Infinity preceding characters. Here for this shortcut is we can use star actually. Here we can use star. Star meaning 0 or more. Okay. It may be there, it may not be there. What? Preceding character. You need to remember this preceding character. Clear? Now let's run this. Now it is not found because we are checking this input. Okay. Yeah. If you check this, it should be true now. See, it is true. It is found and match string is KP. Clear? If you check this input also, it is also true. Match string is KAAP. Okay. Clear? This is repeater or like quantifier. Okay. We can use for this kind of requirements. Simply you can use plus and star. Okay. If you want to use, you can use this or you can use plus or star based on the requirement. Clear? Yeah. Now tell me, let me remove this unwanted things. So data equal to I wanted to search likewise also. I wanted to search like this also. In between K and P, any alphanumerics I want to search. How can we make this expression? For alphanumeric, what can we use? Backslash W, right? Backslash W. Okay. And simply we can use star, right? Here. Simply we can use star, right? Yeah, 0 or more. See, now clear? Now let's change this to KP. Now also it will match because we kept star here, 0 or more. Okay, we kept 0 or more. If here A, B, C. Now tell me, will it match or not? Let me execute this. See, it is matching. KP is there, right? KP is there. KP is there. So it will check always character by character. Okay? Character by character. Now, let's see this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now also it will match because KP is there. Right? So now see in real time, likewise only we'll get the data. For example, in between KP, RAM, right? So now see, you will get exact output. KRAMP. We need data in between K and P. We need data in between K and P. Here some junk data is there, right? But we want data between K and P from this string. Now, yes, yeah. Then only it will print. Otherwise, it will not. Now see here we kept star, right? So in between K and P, anything it will match. Alphanumerics, all alphanumerics. Okay. Now let me put here at the date. Okay. Now it is not found. At the date here is a not alphanumeric. It is a special character. It is a special character. So under alphanumerics meaning backslash W, right? Under alphanumerics, these are all will come. A to Z, okay? A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore, okay? These all are alphanumerics. Clear? Now, let me remove this and I'm keeping underscore. Now it should match. See, now it is matching. K underscore. Now, if you keep any other special character, I'm keeping this other special character. Now it will not match, not found. So, alphanumerics are only these things A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore. Clear? And yesterday we learned, right? Backslash D meaning 0 to 9. You can write like this or you can write like this also. Okay. Then backslash S is for white spaces. White spaces are normal space and tab space and new line. New line. Okay. So opposite to these things, right? If you give capital W, right? Capital W meaning non-alphanumerics. Non-alpha numerics. Now let's give here, okay? Let's give, yeah, other than this anything. Other than this, all special characters will come and these also will come, right? So, other than these characters, A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Backslash capital W meaning other than this. And backslash D, backslash capital D meaning other than 0 to 9. Other than digits meaning A to Z also will come. Here again A to Z also will come. Okay. Underscore also will come. Special this also will come and special characters also will come. So just simple. Other than this. Okay. Yeah. Backslash capital S meaning other than this. Other than normal space, tab space, and new line. Just simple we can remember. Other than these characters. Okay. Clear? Yeah. Now let's take Let me remove this. Okay, let me remove this also. So now I want to found minimum. Okay, minimum two characters in between K and P. Okay, minimum two alphas. Only minimum two alphas. Okay, other than digits. Okay, just assume other than digits. Other than digits. Minimum two and maximum five. For example, here K, D, G. Okay, one, two, three, four, H. Right. This also should match, and this also should match. Okay, and this should not match. Okay, other than digits I want. Other than digits. Okay, how can we make expression? Backslash D. First we can keep this, right? Backslash, yeah. Backslash D and minimum 2, maximum 5. Minimum 2. Okay, maximum 5. So makes sense. Minimum 2, maximum 5. Now let's run for this input. 11. See, now it is clearly found because here how many are there? One, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters are there. Right? Let's run for this input now. This one also found. Okay. Now let's run for this input. It is not found. Okay. Why? Because we are checking other than digits. Capital D, right? So in this situation, we can use opposite way. So requirement is like that. It should not be digits should not be there in between K and P. Okay. For example, in some companies, okay, in some companies, they create email IDs, right? Their rule is should not contain normally for any email IDs, right? Any email IDs should not contain spaces, right? Email IDs in between should not contain spaces, right? Did you saw anywhere containing spaces in between like email ID name? Not right. So in that case, simply we can use backslash s, right? Capital S, backslash capital S you can use, right? That is only valid email ID, right? The requirement is you need to check valid email IDs. That is came from some other user. He entered manually all email IDs of all employees. Okay. So you need to check valid email IDs and invalid email IDs. Store all valid email IDs in valid email IDs file. Store all invalid email IDs in invalid email IDs file. Then send it to the user. So you can tell that you have entered wrong email IDs because you have entered in between the spaces, right? So in those kind of requirements, we can use these things. So okay. In future, I will let you know those things after file handling completed. Okay, we'll do those kind of requirements. We'll work on those things. Okay. As of now, just remember these logics. Clear? See. Now, tell me, KP. Okay. GBD P. Will it match or not? Hmm? K and P. Okay. Let's run this. Character should be in K and P, and it should be minimum two, maximum 5 characters, and those also non-digits, right? Those also non-digits. Now see, see, at last here P is there. So here this is called, see, it is greedy. Greedy meaning greedy. You know greedy, right? The normal meaning in English. It will search like as soon as we'll get the character. Okay. First K came. Okay. Now it will look for P at last P. Clear? Now if we keep here BA. Okay. I'm keeping BA here. Still it will match till here DP. Again, let me write here P. Okay. Now see, let's observe clearly this where we are. See, it is not matching. Why? Because it is matching still here only. Why? Because the condition is minimum 2, maximum 5. Okay. If we keep here 10. Okay. Now let's see it is matching everything. K, P. In between K and P, again P's are there. But still it will match. That is called here greedy. As soon as available that character, right? It will match till there. Clear? Are you getting here or not? Clear, right? Here again, see, you can add something H, A, B, V. I am adding some other characters here. See, still, still here it is matching. Okay. If I keep here again P, if we keep here P, see, because it may be here more than 10 characters are there. To match this, just keep just keep 2 comma. Just now it is matching everything. Clear? So, but we can restrict this, right? We can make it as non greedy also. We can make it as non greedy also. So I'll tell you that in future examples. Okay. See now see if I'll make like this 1 comma, what will happen? Minimum minimum 1 and maximum unlimited, right? Will it match? See, it is matching clearly. Okay. So, what is the shortcut for this? What can we use? Shortcut for minimum 1 and maximum unlimited. Just now in previous example, I have told you. Just simply plus we can use, right? The the meaning is one or more. Simply you can use plus, right? Now also it is matching. Clear? When can we use star? More characters. For 0 characters or more characters, we can use star here. This is a shortcut for this expression. See, now, okay. Now, see, let's take this is as input, okay? This one is input. Okay. How can we match this? No. Simply see. Simply we can keep like this, right? How to match exact thing? We can keep like this. Now let's run this. 13. It is found. Okay. Now KAP. So I wanted to match 0 or any one character. Okay. Now let's execute this. Not found, right? I want to match 0 or one character. 0 or one character. Okay. Okay. Uh, just any alphanumeric. Let's take any alphanumeric. Not only non digits. Okay. Any alphanumeric. No, if you give star, see, it will match multiple things also, right? Multiple characters also it will match, right? I want to match only 0 or 1. So how can we keep here? Simply we can keep 0 comma 1, right? Simply we can keep 0 comma 1. See, now it is matching. Now if we change this to B, okay? Now it will be not found because we are checking for only 0 or 1. 0 or 1, okay? For this, okay, shortcut is simply you can keep question mark, okay? Question mark. Question mark is for 0 or 1. Question mark is for 0 or 1. Now, let's execute for this input, KAP, okay? Now it is, see, clearly it is matching, okay? Then execute for this one. In between, nothing is there, K and P, right? 0 characters are there. Now also it is matching. Clear? Now execute for this one. More than one characters are. Now it is not matching, not found. Clear? Yeah. Where can we use question mark? Yeah. Whenever you want to check, it may be there, it may not be there, but only one character. But only single character. Then you can go for question mark or this expression. But again, it should be, you need to remember this preceding character, okay? You need to remember that preceding character. Now, tell me by seeing this expression, okay? A, B. Now, by seeing this expression, what are the possibilities we'll find? Found. B, okay? K, P, or K, P. So, it should be, you need to remember, okay, observe this, only preceding character. It will work for only preceding character, okay? Wherever you are using this quantifier or repeater, it will work for only preceding character, right? Now tell me, will it true or false? KABP. Hmm? This one, this input, this is the input. K, it will not found. Because why? Because clearly it should be first. Yeah, first character is K. Second character is A. Again, third character is A. Here, third character is B is there, right? Here only it is failing. At third place, it is failing. Clear? Fourth character is B, and it should be 0 or 1. One character, 1B. 0 or 1B. It may be B there, or it should be only 1B there. Then only it will be true. See, now it is false. K A B P. It is true, right? K A B. Okay, B. After B, P is there. What is the rule we are provided here? 0 or 1 or question mark. Okay. Now it is true. See, K A B P. K A B P. See, now it is found. Clear? So how to make this shortcut? Here you need to write K A B question mark. Right? Now these two are same. Clear? Now again if we change this to A, okay? Input K A B A P. It is not found because clearly we are searching for only K A B P. One B may be there or it should be no B's. No B's. Okay? Yeah. Clear, right? Question mark also. See, now let me remove this. Now, see, now we need to check given string is float or not. For example, data equal to 4.5. Okay, data equal to 4.5. How can we write expression? Given string is we need to check float or not. Expression. Okay, yeah. Digit meaning backslash D. Backslash D. Okay, then dot. Yeah. We no need to escape this because we are providing R here. Okay. That is why we are providing R. We are making it as a raw data. Okay. You no need to escape. If you are not providing this R, right, you should escape. You should escape. Then slash D. Okay. Now let's see this. Just the requirement is given string is float or not. Okay. We need to check float or not. Here it is a we can print float. Okay. Here not float. Okay. Not float. Now see. Now it is a float. Right? Now see. See, float. You need to check float or not. Given string is float or not. Here, one, two, three. Okay. This is also float, right? This is fine by seeing this, but we don't know how data will come. It's you cannot expect like this, right? Only single digit dot single digit is here. It is this is also float. This is also float, right? Yeah. Now tell me. Now let me execute this. This is also float. Okay. This is also float. Where it is checking now? Here again, as Srikanth told, it is working as a special character here. Dot within the regular expression. Dot meaning any one character actually. Okay. Dot meaning any one character. Now let me escape this. Now see, you are getting 4.5. You are getting 4.5. It is float, but you are not getting total. Why? Because we are searching for backslash d dot backslash d. Here it is how many Ds we need to put. Likewise, see, now it is 235, 234.5 we are getting. And yeah, for yes, yes, yeah. I'll tell you, Shrikant. Yeah. Now in future, if you'll get 10, right? Always you need to go and modify the code. That is not good, right? Right? You don't know. See, now simply can we put plus? Simply, yeah. Can we put plus here? Now see clearly it is matching. Clear? But again, this is also R. Okay, let me escape this. Let me escape this. Okay, now let me run. See, you need to escape this actually. Okay, because we need to exactly match dot also, right? If we keep just dot, it will search for only any single character here. Okay. Now let's see. Uh, Now let's execute this. Now see, still we are getting only 5, right? Because here we are searching for single digit. To match this, see, clear? Now we can give any kind of float, okay? Any number, it will match. Now see, data equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Will it match? Will it match or not? Data equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it float or not? It is a integer. It is not float, right? Now see, not a float because dot is not there. Yeah. Now dot 0. It is match and float. Now let's keep only dot. Will it float or not? It is not float because after dot decimal should be there. Then only it will be float. Right? That is the rule. So we have written correct expression now. Right? This is correct expression. It will match for any like float. So now, yeah, yeah, tell me, bro. See, yeah, can you tell me expression? Expression equal to okay backslash d dot backslash d, right? So the here I'll tell you about dot in next example. So here dot meaning that is special any character. Here dot meaning any character. Okay, I'll tell you this in next example. Okay, dot meaning any character. That is the speciality. Yeah. Where? No, let me run this in next example. Yeah, I got your point. See, now expression is this, okay? Expression is this. Let me remove these things. Let me remove this, right? Your question is now what is the input? 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 5. Okay. Now backslash d dot backslash d. So here three characters. Finally, three characters. It will match for three characters and first is digit, okay, second character is any character, okay, and third also digit. From this, first is digit, second may be anything, okay, and third should be digit. Now found, okay, here let me make it as not found. 7. See, clearly it is 1, 2, 3. Now let me change this input, okay. 1 x, okay, 9. Now also it will match any character. Dot meaning any character. Now see, now also it will match till 1x9 will get, right. See, now if we keep here in between 1ax, two characters I am keeping here, okay. Now it will not match. It is false because dot meaning any single character. So that is what here we made change for this dot. So to collapse, like to collapse this original behavior, special character behavior, you can put backslash. You can put backslash. Then this original behavior will collapse. Okay. So the requirement is here. We need to check given string is float or not. Okay. This is string. We need to check given string is float or not. So backslash d plus, okay, digits dot digits. Now only it will be decimal, right? So clear, right? Yeah. So dot is for any single character. Okay. Let's take this only. Now tell me data equal to 9h0. Will it match or not? Will it match or not? Let me copy this. Yeah. 9h0. 18. Not matching. Right? Why? Yeah. Others are getting this right. Others are getting this right. Why it is not matching? First should be digit. Okay. First should be digit. After digit, dot should be there. Then after digit should be there. Okay. Now tell me here 9 dot a. Will it match or not? Now also it is not matching. Why? Because 9 digit, here it is first character is okay, it is true. Okay. What is the second character is dot. Dot also fine. What is the third character should be there? Again digit should be there. Here, here alpha is there. So here it is failing. At the third character it is failing. First two characters are fine. At third character it is failing. Clear? 9.0. Now will it match or not? It is matching, right? Because clearly it is a float. Clear? Yeah. See. Now tell me data equal to x 5.8, okay, y. Will it match or not? Huh? Yeah. Actually, yeah, yeah. It will match. Why? Because see, it will look for backslash D first. Okay. Wherever it will get backslash D. Here backslash D received. Okay. After that dot dot also there. Okay. After that again digits. Digit also there. It will match, right? It will match and output will be 5.8. See, output is clearly 5.8, but here we are doing wrong. It is not a float, right? X58Y is not a float. Clear? It is not a float. Now, to restrict this, we have concept called anchors. Anchors are available. ANHORS. Here, anchors are cap, okay? Cap and dollar, okay? Cap and dollar. Cap is for cap is for yeah. Cap will check starts with starts with exact character. Okay, starts with exact character from the string and dollar is for ends with cap from the string. Now here the requirement is we need to check it is float or not, right? As per this is wrong. Our program is wrong here. This program here bug is there. Given string is x58y, right? This is not float, right? So to restrict this, here starts with digit. Okay, just you can keep cap here, right? Starts with digit, right? Now, yeah, let me change this input also. Now, let me run this. Now, still it is float wrong. Okay, here 5.8 y is there. We need to restrict this also. Ends with also digit. Here again, see, starts with this digit, ends with also this digit. Right? Then only it will true. Otherwise, it is false. Now, let me run this. See, now it is not a float. Yeah, that's why here I am telling you, let me run this first, okay? Now it is float, right? As per you, it is correct float, but it is not a float. 5.8y is not a float. Now let me run this. Now it is 5.8 we given, it is a float, okay? Now your question is after 8, okay? After 8, what any? Yeah, here already I have tested that, okay? Yeah. B, okay, and ends with any digit, okay. Now see, our expression is clearly telling starts with digit, okay, multiple digits, digit are multiple digits, then dot, then digit are multiple digits, and it should ends with one digit, right? Now also, see, it is clearly not float. Yeah, see, we are restricting this, right? We are restricting this. So anchors are for mainly for making strict search. This is for making strict search. Strictly we are telling, right? Strictly we are telling it should starts with digit and it should ends with digit. Clear? So now let me change this. Now tell me, will it true or false? 5.04764. It is, yeah, it is true only, right? It is true. It is true, and it is clearly float. If we will get float only, it will match. Now this program is like correct program, bug free program. No bugs are there in program. Okay. If you see here, here bugs are there. If we give likewise also, it is matching and it is telling you 5.8. Okay. But given string is x 5.8y, but it is wrong. It is not float, right? So here we have fixed this using anchors, right? Now, I'll tell you one real-time scenario, but I cannot write program now. After file handling, I'll show you that. You have one file, okay? You have one file getting from the client. From that file, you need to find country-wise phone numbers, okay? In that file, all phone numbers are there, but you need to divide country-wise phone numbers. Plus 91 meaning India phone, that is India phone number. Okay. Plus 1 meaning it is US phone number. Okay. Plus 1 is for USA. Plus 4 is for UK. Okay. So likewise, in that situation, you can do just starts with plus 91. Okay. If it is starting with plus 91, write those all phone numbers to india.txt file. If that is starting with plus 1, only plus 1, you can write those all phone numbers to usa.txt file. Okay, that is the use case I'm telling you. But I'll explain you that after file handling. Okay, clear, right? Till now, anchors are clear, right? Now, let me tell you one more example for this. Now, see, let me make this found, not found. Now, the requirement is data. You need to validate it is a correct email ID or not. Okay. See, let's assume data equal to abc at the rate gmail.com. Okay. Correct Gmail ID or not. You need to validate. Okay. Now tell me how can we write expression. Now l- let me let me write one more here. So here, see, abc at the rate gmail.com is there. It is wrong, right? This is wrong email ID. But we need to validate that, right? We need to validate that and we need to tell the customer. So you have given wrong email ID. That is why your authentication is failing. Okay. Yeah. Now, how can we write expression for this? Yeah. First, yeah. To validate this, first you need to assume at the date Gmail should be there at ending. Okay. At the date Gmail should be there at ending. What I need to keep here? Dollar. Right? At 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 starting. At starting. Back backslash W alphanumerics and plus. Right? And plus. If you give star here, right? This is also wrong. So At the rate gmail.com also it will find if you give star. Clear? Yeah. Let me explain you that. Here, see. Now let me run this. 21. Now it is found and it is correct Gmail. Okay. Let's run for this. See, now it is not correct Gmail ID because wrong characters they provided. So now let's see this. See, this is also this is also not found. Why? Because see backslash w star. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Now see. Now it is matching. Now it is matching. Why? Because again it is wrong, right? This is not. This is not meaningful. Something should be there in front of before this at the date, right? That's why we need to use plus. One or more, one character or more characters should be there, right? Now let's test this. It is not found, right? Now here 4, okay, 4 at the rate gmail.com. Now it is matching, right? Clear? Where can we use these anchors, right? So ending should be at the rate gmail.com. Then only it will be valid Gmail ID. This is the requirement we received. Okay. So based on the requirement, we'll make this. Okay. Sometimes they will tell numerics also should not be there. Only alpha should be there. Only alpha should be there. That time, how can we write expression? Numerics also should not be there. Only alpha should be there. Huh? No, if you use capital D here, okay. No, let's run. Let's run. See, it is not found. This is fine. Okay, here let me write one more at the date. Okay. See, now this is again wrong, right? This is again wrong. You need to fix this. Only alpha and numeric should be there. For alpha and numerics, simply can we write like this A to Z or A to Z. And here we can provide simply plus. Clear? Now it is not found. Okay. See, let's check for this one. This also should not match. This is also wrong. Okay. See, now also not found. Where we are using this expression. Okay. Remember, we are using this expression. Clear? Now, if we test for this one, it is found. Right? So based on the requirements, we need to make this expression. And it is very powerful, right? Very powerful searching. So now one last example we'll see and then we'll close for this today. Okay. Now need to check valid IP or not. Valid IP. Normally IP address is like this 127.99 dot 0 dot something 45, right? And IP as per rule IP address should be in between 0 to 255. This is called we can call it as octet. Okay, this is first octet. This is second octet. This is third. This is fourth. Four are there, right? These four should be 0 to 255. In between 0 to 255, right? Now see data equal to, let's take this only as input. How can we validate this? Can you try this in home and then tomorrow morning we'll see again this IP address. Okay? How to validate this? Just think of it. Okay? If you'll find solution, you can send here in WhatsApp. Okay? Yeah. Then we can close for today.